So now, dit layer. So you are going to tell the time. So I have written 5 different timings here. I have written it in words. We are going to write it in numbers. So the first one, 7 heures 15. So for this, you need to be thorough with the numbers. 7. 7 is 7. Heures. So you write H. 15. 15 is 15. 7, 15. 7 heures 15. So 7 heures 15. The next one, 10 heures 30. 10 heures 30. So this is 10 heures 30 is 30. 10 hours 30 minutes. Next one, 1 heure moins le quart. 1 heure moins quart. So 1 hour moins quart. So when this comes, you know that it is the time, actual time is 1 hour less, right? So 1 hour minus a quarter would be 12 hours 45. 1 heure moins quart. The next one, 18 heures 55. So 18 is 18. 18 hours 55. 55 is 55. 18 hours 55. You can also write this as 6:55 du soir, in the evening. So it would be 6:55 du soir. If you do not write this, then it would mean it is 6:55 in the morning. So it is safer to write it this way, so you don't make a mistake. Now if it is 6:55 in the morning, you would say du matin. Du matin. Matin means morning. Soir is evening. So I told you it is safer to write it this way. And finally, the last one, 22 heures. 22 heures. So 22 hours and 0 minutes. So 22 heures is 22 hours. You can also write this as 10 heures in the evening or in the night. So it is safer to write it this way because you won't make a mistake. So 22 hours. 22 heures. So once again, 7 heures 15, it is 7 hours 15. 10 heures 30, 10 hours 30. 1 heure moins quart, it is 12 hours and 45 minutes. 18 heures 55, 18 hours 55. And finally, the last one, 22 heures, 22 hours. So now you are thorough and you know how to tell the time. So to be able to tell it on the spot, you need to keep practicing, because now you are new to this concept. Every time someone asks you the time, you will have to think. But as you keep practicing, you will be able to say it immediately.
Pebbles Live.